What does it mean if my thermostat flashes, "Wait"? It usually means the thermostat is delaying your heating or cooling system for a few minutes to protect the equipment. The word "wait" commonly appears after you change the temperature, switch between heating and cooling, or lose power. This delay gives the system's compressor time to shut down safely before starting again. A compressor is the part that moves refrigerant and helps your air conditioner or heat pump make cool air. Starting it too quickly can cause pressure problems, damage, or extra wear. In many systems, the delay lasts about 5 minutes, but some equipment may take longer. First, leave the thermostat alone and wait at least 5 minutes to see whether the message disappears. Check that the thermostat is set to the correct mode, the temperature setting is several degrees away from the current room temperature, and the indoor unit has power. A useful detail many homeowners do not know is that this safety delay can appear even when nothing is broken, especially after a brief power interruption. If the message remains for more than 10 minutes, the system does not start or the message keeps returning. Check the air filter and circuit breakers, then arrange a professional inspection. One common mistake is repeatedly changing the temperature, because each change may restart the delay, so choose the setting once and wait. Another mistake is turning the system off and on at the breaker without checking why it stopped, which can hide a serious electrical or equipment problem, so reset it only once and stop if the breaker trips again. Also, do not assume the thermostat is faulty when the real issue is a weak battery, loose wiring, clogged filter, or outdoor unit that cannot run, so replace batteries if needed and call a qualified technician when the delay continues. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.